Okay, so we were here just a couple of days ago and it was so wet I didn't want to check out this campsite. But it's dry now. We're going to check out this campsite, see if this is somewhere maybe we stay a little bit some other time. Alright. This isn't a bad campsite at all. Plenty of space. Pulled right around with no issue. It's dry once you get it past the little ditch. It's pretty cool. No, we didn't come here for campsites today. We came for waterfalls. Find us a waterfall. So, a few days ago I came out here with Cleo and we tried to find Coalmine Falls. It was all wet and mushy and it looked like, you end up getting ticks all over you trying to walk through there. So I decided I'd do it again with Thor. One of the tricks is you can wear long sleeves. You can spray your shirt down with anti-tick spray, permethrin. And you don't have to worry so much about getting the ticks. Also, you don't have to worry about the poison ivy, which in my experience has been a lot worse for me than the ticks have been. I get pick up ticks, when they come off, no biggie. Poison ivy, man, it'll eat me up for a week, 2 weeks. Okay, so it's right about here. And I just realized I'm at the top of the waterfall, and that's good because there was a little bitty water over there. Probably a little bitty water here. It's gonna fall a lot farther. So let's see if we can get a good look. All right, that's our first view of the waterfall. We got a narrow little trail on the edge of the bluff here. Hopefully Thor will be good and we can get down safely. Okay, that was super cool. And you probably missed it. But I saw a little, well, I know you missed it. No way you can see that. I saw a little newt about yay long just on the edge of the waterfall. And as I got excited by seeing it, it just crawled back into the waterfall and left. Finding Coalmine Falls went so well. Thor and I thought we'd go out and we'd find us another waterfall. So we got to the trailhead and we started hiking down. Immediately there was this fallen tree, but we kept going. Feels like the obvious way to the waterfall, but and it just got wetter and wetter. And we turned around and went back the other way. But it's okay. Because as you see, we still find the waterfall. So I still can't see it, but I can hear it now. So I know we're getting close. It means we're... So I think I'm here. I think I'm at the top of the waterfall and I can't see it. So let's walk around and see if we can figure out how to get around to where you can see anything. And hopefully we see something. I didn't bring the drone this time. I just wanted to carry less stuff. I think. Can you see that? All right, can you see that? Here, let me show you something. This lens is amazing. Right down through there. You probably still can't see, even though... You see that water? I think that may be... Yep. Cool cave, but not that big a cave. Let's get back downstairs. Oh my! Wow! I found us yet another waterfall. This one is great. I look up the name, I'm afraid I can whatever. Awesome waterfall. Too bad that all these trees are falling down. This is like a place from another world out here. It's amazing. You should come out here. Bankhead National Forest. You'll love it. Head back, isn't it?